Hi friends, welcome to my channel. You are watching Erola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, I am here to explain most important biology practice bits which were already asked in previous NEET examinations. So this video will help you a lot in recapitulation of your preparation. So friends, watch this video completely without skipping. If you like this, please share this to your friends and give your valuable comment. And if you visit my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and press on bell icon. Okay, now the questions are from the topic biological classification. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Eubacteria, cyanobacteria, myobacteria, and archibacteria. The answer is archibacteria. Viroids differ from viruses in having DNA molecules without protein coat, RNA molecules with protein coat, RNA molecules without protein coat, and DNA molecules with protein coat. The correct answer is option C, RNA molecules without protein coat. Which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals, and can survive without oxygen? Pseudomonas, Mycoplasma, Nostoc, and Bacillus. Now the answer is option B, Mycoplasma. Which of the following components provides sticky character to the bacterial cell? Nuclear membrane, plasma membrane, glycocalyx, cell wall. Answer is option C, glycocalyx. DNA replication in bacteria occurs within nucleolus prior to fission, just before transcription during S phase. Now the answer is option B, prior to fission. Which one of the following is wrong for fungi? They are eukaryotic. All fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. They are heterotrophic. They are both unicellular and multicellular. Now the answer is option B, all fungi possess a purely cellulosic cell wall. Methanogens belongs to Eubacteria, Archibacteria, Dinoflagellate, and slime molds. Now the answer is option B, Archibacteria. Select the wrong statement. The walls of diatoms are easily destructible, and diatomaceous earth is formed by the cell walls of diatoms. Diatoms are chief producers in the oceans. Diatoms are microscopic and float passively in water. Now the answer is option A, the walls of diatoms are easily destructible. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include the methanogens, eubacteria, halophiles, thermoacidophiles. Now answer is option A, methanogens. Which one of the following statements is wrong? Eubacteria are also called false bacteria. Phycomycetes are also called algal fungi. Cyanobacteria are also called blue-green algae. Golden algae are also called desmides. Answer is option A, eubacteria are also called false bacteria. Which one of the following statements is wrong for viroids? They cause infections. Their RNA is of high molecular weight. They lack a protein coat. They are smaller than viruses. Answer is option B, their RNA is of high molecular weight. One of the major components of cell wall of most fungi is cellulose, hemicellulose, chitin, and peptidoglycan. Answer is option C, chitin. Chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates, and slime molds are included in the kingdom fungi, Animalia, Monera, and Protista. Answer is option D, Protista. Which one is a wrong statement? Haploid endosperm is typical feature of gymnosperms. Brown algae have chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin. Archegonia are found in Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and gymnosperms. Mucar has biflagellate zoospores. Now answer is option D, Mucar has biflagellate zoospores. The imperfect fungi which are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling belong to Phycomycetes, Ascomycetes, Deuteromycetes, and Basidiomycetes. Now correct answer is option C, Deuteromycetes. The structures that help some bacteria to attach to rocks and our host tissues are mesosomes, holdfast, rhizoids, and fimbriae. Now the answer is option D, fimbriae. Select the wrong statement. The term Contagium vivum fluidum was coined by M.W. Beisering. Mosaic disease in tobacco and AIDS in human beings are caused by viruses. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. W.M. Stanley showed that viruses could be crystallized. Now correct answer is option C. The viroids were discovered by D.J. Ivanovsky. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? A. Dinoflagellate, B. Slime molds, C. Chrysophytes, D. Euglenids. Now answer is option C, chrysophytes. Pick up the wrong statement. Some fungi are edible. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. Protists have photosynthetic and heterotrophic modes of nutrition. Now answer is option B, nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Choose the wrong statement. Morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Yeast is unicellular and useful in fermentation. Penicillium is multicellular and produces antibiotics. Neurospora is used in the study of biochemical genetics. Now answer is morels and truffles are poisonous mushrooms. Option A. Cell wall is absent in Mycoplasma, Nostoc, Aspergillus and Funaria. Now the answer is option A, Mycoplasma. True nucleus is absent in Wuchereria, Volvox, Anabaena and Mucor. Now the answer is option C, Anabaena. Which one of the following matches is correct? Mucor, reproduction by conjugation, Ascomycetes, Agaricus, parasitic fungus, Basidiomycetes, Phytophthora, Aseptate mycelium, Basidiomycetes, Alternaria, sexual reproduction absent, Deuteromycetes. Now the correct answer is option D, Alternaria, sexual reproduction absent. It belongs to Deuteromycetes. 5 kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whittaker is not based on presence or absence of a well-defined nucleus, mode of reproduction, mode of nutrition, and complexity of body organization. Now correct answer is option B, mode of reproduction. Which of the following shows coiled RNA strand and capsomeres? Poliovirus, tobacco mosaic virus, measles virus and retrovirus. Now correct answer is option B, tobacco mosaic virus. Viruses have DNA enclosed in a protein coat, prokaryotic nucleus, single chromosome, both DNA and RNA. Now the answer is option A, DNA enclosed in a protein coat. Okay friends, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and give your valuable comment, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will be uploading more videos from the same topic. Keep watching my channel.